Alright, now we're going to move on to logging in finally. So this will be the final part of the authentication. I'm going to close both of these, and the first thing we'll do is create the design. So we'd already created the activity. Here's the XML. Let's go over to text and change that to my preferred relative layout. Okay, first thing I'll put is my app bar, Android layout, rather include layout, main action bar, ID, we'll call it login underscore bar. Okay, now we can go back to design and drag and drop the rest. So first, just to give it a bit of a professional look, let's put a text view at the top. Sign in. And I'll give it text size. Oops, that was text color, but that's fine. Actually, I can make this black. Nope, no. Actually, let's just leave this for now. Text size is what I wanted, and text will be 30 dp. Okay, and then from here I can change the color. Okay, so we'll just take two text input layouts. Here we go. And another, and a button. And that's all we'll need. So the first one will be, of course, for the email, so ID will be email. By the way, the only reason I'm doing it like this is because I didn't want to use the register one, otherwise I'd have just copy pasted, but the register one was just a real quick layout. Don't ask. Yes, so this one will be at least a bit better designed. It will have the app bar and everything. So this will be email, and this other one will be password, and the password should be hashed. So for that we'll select the edit text, and type, input type will be password, and this will be an email, but that's fine, you can just leave it like that, it doesn't matter. Okay, the button will be ID of login, and for this I can go to the register, so I'll go to the register XML, go to its button. All I want is this color and the text color. So I'll copy this one first, Control C, and then this. Alright, let's see how that looks. Okay, for a bit of a change though, instead of using color accent here, I'll use color primary. let's look at it. That's good. All right. Oh, and of course it shouldn't say button, it should say sign in. And let's just change this to okay. I'll say it once again, any design related stuff is totally up to you how you put it. Okay, let's add the hint as the last thing. So email. Right. And now that we're done with that, back to the login activity itself, we can start instantiating all the things. So of course the first thing will be context, and context is equals to this. And the next thing we can do is add that app bar. So toolbar, and remember it's v7. Toolbar is equal to find view by id r dot id dot login bar, was it? Yes. All right. So now we can set that as the action bar. So set support action bar toolbar, and then we can give it a title. So get support action bar dot set title to login, I suppose. Then I'm going to set set home button, set display home as app enabled to true. And what this will do is it will give us an arrow in the top corner that allows us to go back. Okay. And for that to work, we'll need to go to the manifest file and make a small change. So here's the activity, login, and all we have to do is to set a parent. So we can just start typing parent, and it will give us this one, and we can select start activity. So that's where we'll go, and we click that arrow that appears. All right then, next thing, text input layouts. And for this, I will just take what I already have. So this, and I'll paste it. Okay, we won't have username, of course. And then I will take the initialization there. And then finally the button. So really quick, private button login. Let's also put private here. Login is equals to find view by id r dot id dot login, and then finally login dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and the final thing to copy is that. Get rid of this, and then just as we did for the register user, we're going to make a login user method, which will take the email and the password And that is it. Well, okay, we'll of course make the method. We'll create that. And there we go. So I'll leave it at that for now. We can actually put something in this login user in the next video.